So hello friends, today we'll see how to create a Next.js app on a Mac machine. So for that, first of all we'll open the terminal. So let's go to desktop. And then for creating a Next app, first we need Node and npm. So let's search for that. So first we'll check node -v. So I have Node installed in my system. Then we check for npm. So npm -v. So here you can see we have both Node and npm installed on our system. So now for creating the next app, you have to give the command npx, then create next app. Suppose my text app, and press enter. So it will ask you whether you want to use the TypeScript with your project or not. So by default it will be yes, and maybe you can go with yes. Then it will ask you for the suggestions. So ESLint is actually one of the suggestions platform that will guide you if you do any mistakes or write any invalid code. It will just suggest you. So it's better to make it on. So select yes. Then if you want to keep the source code in the src directory, we can select yes. If you want to use any experimental feature, for that also you can click yes. And what import alias you would like to configure, you can just simply leave it. And finally you will see that it will create the app for you. So once it's created, you will see a message, success created test app, and the location. So then we go to our test app, and let's try to open it with our code. So I'll simply write code and then a dot, and it will open up the Visual Studio Code on that location. So now you can see that the test app is created. So let's check it a bit. So first we have the package.json file where we have all the scripts that are required to run our application. So here we can see that it is written here next dev, the next build, next start, and next lint. Then let's go to the next configuration. So here also you can see the experimental features are on here. So now let's move to our main folder, the src. And before that we see the public folder also. In the public we just have a few svg, that's all. In the node modules we have our npm packages. So now we move to the src folder. Inside that we have a folder called app, and here we have a folder called page.tsx. So tsx because we use the TypeScript as the extension language. So now if you open that, you'll see there will be a lot of code written here. So initially let's do one thing, we'll remove everything inside the main. So let's remove that. And instead of that, just put a simple h1 tag. This is my first application on Next.js. So now if you want to run our application, there are many methods to do that. So let's use the common way for doing that. We'll open up the terminal and then simply write npm run dev and press enter. So you will see that automatically it will start running and it will give you the URL as well. So here you can just simply open this URL in the browser, or the easiest way is that you can simply press the command button and click the link. It will directly open up the browser, and here you can see this is my first application on Next.js. So this is one of the simplest methods of creating a Next.js app using the command line. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video very soon. Bye.